Well, I'm ready whenever you are. So I guess you've gone back there to try and make it more of a surprise, but I've already seen it.
There's supposed to be a dramatic reveal. It's going to be hiding behind the curtain. They weren't going to see it.
AJ's gone and bought a Christmas jumper. It lights up.
I mean,
that is...
You can't beat it. You can't. I just won Christmas.
AJ did say he wasn't going to wear a Christmas jumper.
I've been keeping this on secret. It's amazing.
I think we should do a Christmas jumper intro just on the basis of how strong your Christmas jumper is.
So rather than doing the normal bit, you want me to do some kind of...
A festive intro. Skip this part of the programme, we're going straight to a festive intro.
I'll get ready then.
AJ, you've already scuppered my plans, but in an amazing way.
What, you weren't expecting the lights?
It looks great.
Yeah.
They think it looks great.
I mean, comment below what your favourite colour light is.
This is possibly the best start to any video you're going to see. Wait till you see the festive intro coming at you. In 3, 2, 1. AJ!
Yeah?
AJ, time to do Secret Santa.
I didn't...
Yeah, I know, I didn't either.
Secret Santa.
Oh, thanks.
It's a secret, so it's not from me.
Yeah, cool. Go on, you start.
I mean, I didn't do it.
Well, no, it's a secret.
So, but there's only a couple of us that work here. There's me.
Yep.
And you.
Yep.
Did you get a load of rubbish and chuck it in the box?
It wasn't me, it was Secret Santa.
Merry Christmas, you absolute So I know that that's from you, because you put your name.
Look how festive that is.
To Pete, it's true.
It says, Santa thinks you're a
Red nose? Why have we got a red nose?
It's festive, isn't it?
What's happening here? It's got antlers. This jumper's got antlers.
That's right.
And I've got a red... You dressed me up like Rudolph.
I'll explain more. It will all start to make sense. Just wait for it. The nose looks great. The whole hoodie, it's a fantastic look.
What am I down here for?
It looks amazing.
What is it?
Oh, right. I was on that site that you keep going to for cameras.
Yeah.
And they've got a reindeer running on a treadmill. Now wait for it. Grab and go review. This is what SLR Hut could have had. AJ's grab and go review running as a reindeer on a treadmill.
So you thought you'd just like hire me out like a cheat?
I've not finished. I got you these.
What am I doing with these?
Put them on. That will do it. Come and see the set.
Set?
There's a set. I've built a set. I've built a set.
What?
I've built a set. Come and see the set.
What am I doing?
What do you think?
You've set up a green screen.
It's good, isn't it? Grab and go review, SLR Hut.
Right.
This is what they could have had for Christmas. I'm doing this for you. I'm raising your production value.
And my profile? This is going to be good for my profile.
It's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. They won't see this like what you see.
Yeah.
What they're going to see is the finished advert. AJ's Grab and Go Review, SLR Hut. Their products are going to feature soon. This is the Christmas advert they could have had, chasing gifts. Pick up the pace a little bit. How bad do you want this? How bad do you want it?
I really want the sponsorship.
You've got to really want it, AJ.
No, but I really do want it. I'm not actually chasing anything.
Right. I'm going to work on that.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
SLR brought to you with Grab and Go Review. Chasing gifts.
I need some gifts to chase.
Ready? That's it. Work for it. Work for it. Keep going. Keep going.
I mean, have you got enough yet? It's all right.
I'm a little bit worried about the sound picking up from the treadmill. I think it could give away that you're not actually out.
Is it just for your own entertainment?
No, no. This is
I feel like
big.
you might be stitching me up a little bit.
This is bringing in the big advertisers. You want to take it up a notch. This is where you going.
I'm going. I'm done.
You haven't seen what I've been able to do with this. Right, should we do this last bit? There. Now we're ready.
Unbelievable. Can I take it off yet?
No, just get through this bit and then we're done. Well, that was quite entertaining. Good fun
For you?
and festive.
I look like Rudolph's poor cousin, Randolph the Brown.
Randolph Roadkill. It's been for an entirely good cause.
Well, do you think they're genuinely going to sponsor us after this?
Oh yeah. They might do.
We splashed out on props. How much did this lot cost you anyway?
I mean, it's been worth every penny.
Did you use your bank account?
It's on the business card. But worth it. Sometimes you've just got to pull creativity out. Everything. Pull out all the stops.
That was all the stops, was it?
No.
I don't even think SLR are going to watch this.
I think by the time it'll be the CEO, someone high up's going to go, those guys. You were a lucky find.
A lucky find. Well, you didn't look very far. I was sat like 2 yards away from you.
No, I wouldn't have been able to do it with anyone else. And it's been fun. You've enjoyed it.
You've enjoyed it. I've not enjoyed it at all.
Not that much. They've enjoyed it.
I don't even know. I don't think people want to watch this kind of stuff.
They do.
If anything, this is harmful to our channel.
The beauty of that is a festive outro. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Oh, you're going to go for the nose.
Yeah, I'm gonna
go on.
It's gonna be on the nose.
Just smash it. And remember, don't subscribe.
No.
Just comment below. Say that you enjoyed it, but we don't need your subscription. No, you're gonna have to go
like that.
Yeah,
I missed that.
This time, just like here. Let me show you.
All right. Try it again. It's still not working. It's not working. They're still there.
Right, try it with the ball. I give up.
See you next time.